pinaka-hot na concert noong Valentine's ay ang historical na foursome, ang unang pagsasama ng 4 na OPM icons sa iisang entablado. Ian Regine ang MOA Arena.
SRO, we had to open a section on both left and right side to accommodate the people.
Mula sa balik-tambalan ng concert King and Queen, pagsasanib ng songwriter at songbird, pagpapalit-palit ng partner at backstage, kinumusta namin ang Valentine's ng foursome.
Ang saya ng show, grabe. Ang saya-saya. Alam mo yun. Ang busy-busy namin. I'm so happy.
So far, so good. This is always how I spend my Valentine's Day with thousands of people.
Meron. Ano lang, simple. Chocolates, flowers. Meron din. Hindi naman. Just, kanina pinagluto niya ako ng lunch. Yeah, and then breakfast. She made breakfast for me. Tapos, she gave me a driver yung sa golf.
Thank you very much sa lahat ng nanood at piniling kami ang makasama sa Valentine's Day. So maraming salamat. Yeah, Bubu Bear also say, thank you, salamat po.
Kasabay ng confirmed nilang repeat concert on March 16, may chance na bumawi sa pinag-uusapang event ang ilang kapuso na ibang naging to-do list that day.